20 minutes, but seem to be, I've almost done my whole set. Better limit to my stories. This is a song about having a really bad year and then going into the next year feeling really positive that it's not going to be the same. It's called Praying That the Riverbank Holds This Year. There's a little story behind the technique behind this. So James Hill is in the building, and it's quite good that he's actually doing a workshop as I speak, because I spent years and years, well, months really, watching his videos, learning clawhammer, and also Aaron Kine as well, and pored over them, minute detail, and finally nailed it, or I thought I'd nailed it, and started using this technique, even started running workshops. And it was halfway through this workshop I was doing a couple of years back when I realised I wasn't playing clawhammer at all. And I'm not sure what to call it really, whether it's called, you know, I call it slack hammer, because I was being a bit slack. So anyway, Praying That the Riverbank Holds This Year. Can't tell between a demon or a savior. What's the faith? From which to tell what's the faith I placed in her? And a plane that the riverbank holds this year. The storm blows like last. And every step I make this year I've been tapping on cold glass. Was built too high for me to ever, and I never left. Feelings like I just took to many wrong turns, and I'm praying that the riverbank holds this year. The storm blows like the last. Every step I've loved this year, I've been tapping on cold glass. Cast your eyes upon the wasteland, don't dwell too long. The sun is still good to wait for us to hold on. Well, the secret to a long life is to sing and all the song, to love as well as the one you love, to love where you belong. And I'm praying that the riverbank holds the sea if the storm blows like a last. And every step I've made this year, I've been tapping on the compass gloves. And I'm praying that the riverbank holds this year, the storm blows like a last. And every step I've made this year, I've been tapping on the compass gloves. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You know when you start something a little bit too fast, I'm absolutely chatting now. Dear sound man, I'm just about to withdraw, if you'd like to.